consuming 200 kilowatt per hour. So this decrease is driven by yung mga ng mga senators at this representation, and kasi ini-scrutinize natin mabuti, no, paano ba ilo-lower yung cost. Number one talaga yung pagkuha ng generation, no. Yan ang isa sa pinaka malaking component noong presyo ng ating kuryente. But isa pa syempre, in an ideal setup, merong component yung subsidy from the government. You look at Thailand, you look at Malaysia, you look at Indonesia, meron. Yung iba nga halos buo subsidized by the government. Tayo naman hindi, kaya more challenging on our part.